Right. Alright. I've been postponing this pack opening for as long as possible, but I can't seem to get my Wi-Fi to be stable enough to do anything. So I'm just going to record it, maybe post it, edit this up or something, send it out. So we're going to go to the packs. Look at these beauties. We'll start with the gold ones. We'll save the mythics for last. We'll open the singles after the golds. No, we'll open the singles first, because I mean, like, we've got a ton of these singles. Or do we save all the singles for later? No, we open them now. We open everything now. Okay. Hatchery spider. Right. Got spiders, soldiers, blue spells, a little bit of death touch in there. What's this? God, my eyesight sucks. Alright. Trample. Whenever you attack, choose create tapped and attacking XX green dinosaur creature token with trample, where X is the greatest power amongst other attacking creatures, this is already a 12/12, so that sets the bar pretty freaking high. Create an X11 white vampire creature tokens with lifelink, where X is the number of other attacking creatures. Interesting. Okay. That's a pretty cool dinosaur card, to be honest. Yo, this is a rainbow card right here. Check this one out. Hell yeah, I was just trying to think of rainbow cards. All creatures gain trample and haste until end of turn for red. For green, 1/1 counter on target creature. For white, gain 5 life. For blue, players draw 5 cards. Target player draws 5 card. Black, put target creature card from graveyard onto the battlefield under its owner control. Bro, those are just all of the, like, literal best, like, the basic idea of each of those colors as a power. Dude, that's such a cool card. That's such a cool card. Alright. We got Wilds of Eldraine. Bonus sheets, Spreading Seas, Enchantment or Enchant Land. When Spreading Seas enter the battlefield, draw a card. Enchant Land is an island. Enchanted Land is an island. Is that on top of other things? It's not legal in Historic. Okay. Sentinel of Lost Lore. When Sentinel of Lost Lore enters the battlefield, choose return target creature card you own in exile that has an adventure to your hand. Interesting. Put target card you don't own in exile that has an adventure on the bottom of its owner's library. Okay. Exile target player's graveyard. Interesting. That's quite something, honestly. Just exiling the whole graveyard, that's pretty freaking good. Frantic Firebolt deals X damage to the target creature, where X is 2 plus the number of cards in your graveyard that are instant cards, sorcery cards, and or have an adventure. Okay. Ooh, what's this? At the beginning of combat on your turn, if you control a creature with power 4 or greater, you may discard a card if you do draw a card. Okay. Just a little bit of a cycle card. I like that though. I like cards that have a like repeating ability, not just when they enter the battlefield one time ability. Okay. Magmatic Galleon. When Magmatic Galleon enters the battlefield, it deals 5 damage to target creature an opponent controls. When one or more creatures your opponent controls are dealt excess non-combat damage, create a treasure token. Interesting. I think I was looking at that in one of the events, actually. The fucking, the current event that's Phantom and doesn't put the cards into your library. It's a phantom deck that you don't get to keep. What's our rare here? Or mythic, I should say. Okay, I'm not like super into those ones. Alright, so now we're down to the cool packs. We're gonna... The cool packs are gonna start with the gold ones, right? We're just gonna open up the 2 golds. Two mythics, 4 rares. It has flash as long as you control a desert. Trample. Oh, another gold vein hydra. What do we got here? Draconic Destiny. Enchant creature gets +1/+1, has flying and haste, and 1. This creature gets +1/0 until end of turn. It's a dragon in addition to its other types. When an enchanted creature dies, return Draconic Destiny to its owner's hand. Oh! Oh, that's quite good. That is quite good, actually. 1 mythic. What's our rares? All firsts. Rat Shaman. Ooh, another rat. It'd be cool to make like a rat deck. Cause I have that mythic pickpocket. Oh, is that a rat? I thought it was a rat. It might not be. I do have a rat ninja though. As roaming enters the battlefield, choose creature type. Roaming throne is the chosen type in addition to other types. The triggered ability or another creature you control of the chosen type triggers an additional time. Oh. That could be broken. And another dragon, which is nice. Other dragons you control have ward at the beginning of your end step. If a creature or planeswalker an opponent controls was dealt excess damage this turn, create a 4/4 red dragon creature token. Okay. Alright, then we have regular packs. And then alchemy packs, which I've never opened. I think I opened 3 alchemy packs. I don't know the difference between these and an alchemy pack, so I guess we'll compare. Did I not open all? Shit. Okay. I got another Jace. Turn target creature card to its owner's hand. Okay. Open all. There we go. Just let me look at them all at once. There we go. One mythic out of that. Dang, that's bad luck. Alright, we'll start back here, look at our lands and stuff. Under Salvo, we used that in one of the events that were Phantom. It's a pretty good one to have on us. It wasn't very good on my Phantom deck, but we got a ton of those actually. I think that was 4 of them right there. 1, 2, 3 of them. Fling. Sacrifice a creature. Fling deals damage equal to the sacrificed creature's power to any target. Yo, that's like a game winner right there. If you can just beef something up that you can't get through the enemy's defense, like they have Death Touch or something that's gonna block you, just destroy them. Alright, Tornado. Destroy target creature with flying. Counter target creature spell. Put a +1/+1 counter on creature you control. Alright. What's this one? What do we got? The cool packs are gonna start with the gold ones, right? We're just gonna open up the 2 golds. Two mythics, 4 rares. It has flash as long as you control a desert. Trample. Oh, another Goldbane Hydra. What we got here? Draconic Destiny. Enchant creature gets +1/+1, has flying and haste, and 1. This creature gets +1/0 until end of turn. It's a dragon in addition to its other types. When an enchanted creature dies, return Draconic Destiny to its owner's hand. Oh! Oh, that's quite good. That is quite good, actually. 1 mythic. What's our rares? All firsts. Rat Shaman. Ooh, another rat. It'd be cool to make like a rat deck. Because I have that mythic pickpocket. Oh, is that a rat? I thought it was a rat. It might not be. I do have a rat ninja though. For that. As roaming enters the battlefield, choose creature type. Roaming throne is the chosen type in addition to other types. The triggered ability or another creature you control of the chosen type triggers an additional time. Oh. That could be broken. And another dragon, which is nice. Other dragons you control have ward at the beginning of your end step. If a creature or planeswalker an opponent controls was dealt excess damage this turn, create a 4/4 red dragon creature token. Fine. Okay. Alright, then we have regular packs. And then alchemy packs, which I've never opened. And I think I opened 3 alchemy packs. I don't know the difference between these and an alchemy pack, so I guess we'll compare. Did I not open all? Okay.
Just sit back and
I got another Jace. Return target creature card to its owner's hand. Okay. Open all. There we go. Just let me look at them all at once. There we go. 1 mythic out of that. Dang, that's bad luck. Alright, we'll start back here, look at our lands and stuff. Under Salvo, we used that in one of the events that were Phantom. It's a pretty good one to have on us. It wasn't very good on my Phantom deck, but we got a ton of those actually. I think that was 4 of them right there. 1, 2, 3, 3 of them. Fling. Sacrifice a creature. Fling deals damage equal to the sacrificed creature's power to any target Yo, that's like a game winner right there. If you can just beef something up that you can't get through the enemy's defense, like they have death touch or something that's gonna block you, just destroy them. Alright, tornado, destroy target creature with flying. Counter target creature spell, put a +1/+1 counter on creature you control. Alright, what's this one? What do we got? What do we got? Got another one of these. Ionize. Counter target spell. Ionize deals 2 damage to that spell's controller. Okay. Whenever you cast your second spell each turn, investigate. Okay. Enchant creature. All damage that would be dealt to you is dealt to enchanted creature instead. Wait. Doesn't say enchant creature you own. Yeah, that just says enchant creature. That can go on any creature on the field. That's, I mean, if you know anything about this game, that's crazy. Just kill your own creature if you attack me, I dare you. That's crazy. Alright, what are these? These look cool. Spree. Search your library for a card, then shuffle and put that card on top. Target player draws 3 cards and loses 3 life. Okay. And this one looked pretty cool. Beginning of your end step, if you haven't cast a spell from your hand this turn and Emergent Haunting isn't a creature, it becomes a 3/3 spirit creature with flying in addition to its other types. Okay. We got a murder. Okay. What we got here? Oko the Ringleader. I think we were just looking at him in the collections the other day. Because I was looking at white and green legendaries. Or mythics, I mean. At the beginning of combat on your turn, Oko the Ringleader becomes a copy of up to 1 target creature you control until end of turn, except he has Hexproof. +1, draw 2 cards. +1 loyalty counters, I think that's what these are counting. If you have committed a crime this turn, discard a card, otherwise discard 2 cards. -1, create a 3/3 elk. -5, for each other non-land permanent you control, create a token that's a copy of that permanent. That's a pretty good one. I mean, nothing to be mad about on that. What was this? Right. Alright. On to the fancy packs. Here we go. Here's where the fun starts. Open 10, boy. What's the difference of these packs? What's the alchemy? Oh, I see. It's gonna have a lot more of those wild cards. Look like I got a wild card for each one of those packs. Gotcha. Yeah, there's a wild card that marks each pack, it looks like. Alright, let's see. Explosive derailment. 1 red +2 explosive derailment deals 4 damage to target creature, +2 destroy target artifact. What's this? We got a desert. The desert of any mana color. That's decent. That's decent. Journey to Nowhere. When Journey to Nowhere enters the battlefield, exile target creature. turn to know where it leaves the battlefield. Return the exiled card to the battlefield under its owner's control. Right, okay. Heartless Pillage. Target opponent discards 2 cards. If you attack this turn, create a treasure token. Okay. Tap for 2 colorless. Add 2 charges. Tap and sacrifice. Seek a card with the highest mana value among cards in your library. The mana value X or less, where X is the number of charge counters on rune charge obelisk. Okay. Terminal Agony with Madness. If you discard this card, discard it into exile. So, I would use it and then discard it, right? Into exile, and then I can play it again for its madness cost. That's cool, okay. First strike, discard a card, heist library. Yeah, okay, alright. A heist deck would be really cool, I think, if I could learn that mechanic. Where I just rob the opponent's library constantly. Target creature you control deals damage equal to its power to target creature. If the opponent controls excess damage dealt to a creature this way, its controller discards a card with the greatest mana value among cards in their hand. That's pretty aggressive, and I got 2 of those. Okay. Albiorix Goose Tyrant. I got a fucking goose. Wild Goose Chase. Draw 2 cards, then discard 2 cards. Create a food token. Flying Trample Ward. Whenever you sacrifice a token, Albiorix perpetually gets +1/+1. This ability also triggers if Albiorix is in exile. Interesting, okay. Reanimate. Not legal in historic. You lose life equal to its mana value. Prairie Survivalist 0/1 flying. At the beginning of combat on your turn, target creature you control perpetually gets +1/0. This. Then choose a creature card in your hand. It perpetually gets +1. Okay, that's not bad. So it's like a slow build. And I got a Mythic Wild card, which I was never that excited about in the first round of pack openings. This time, pretty stoked, because I specifically need 1 Mythic card to get my commander I want to build my commander deck with. So that's perfect. I have my Mythic card now. We're gonna go in on these 10 Outlaws of Thunder Junction Mythic packs. We're gonna get 10 Mythics here, guaranteed. Let's go. And I revealed 1 at a time. I'm stupid. Alright. What's our Mythic here? Giralf the Fleshright, Zombie Rogue. When you cast a spell during your turn, other than your first spell that turn, create a 2/2 blue and black zombie creature token. Zombie creature token enters the battlefield under your control. Put a 1/1 counter on it for each other zombie that entered the battlefield under your control this turn. Yo, that's like a great commander almost. Like a zombie deck. Like a zombie commander deck would be sick. That's almost really good. I don't know. That sounds really steamrolly if you can pull it off. I meant to click open all, my fat thumb hit the pack. Wow, we still wound up with, hold on, 1, 2, 4, 8, 10. We opened 9 packs, got 10 mythics and a gold card. That's interesting. A gold wild card nonetheless. Alright. Got another Eartha Joe. Alright, how much you guys want to bet right now that there's at least one Jace in these? You want me to flip them all at once? No, I'm going to flip them slow. Look at them each. First, we got Sylvala. Mid. Tiny Bones, we have him. Mana Drain, instant, counter target spell at the beginning of your next main phase. Add an amount of colorless equal that spell's mana value. That's crazy. There's our Jace. Told you. Thoughtseize, target player reveals their hand. You choose a non-land card from it. That player discards that card. You lose 2 life. Okay. Sword of Wealth and Power. Equipped creature gets +2/+2 and has protection from instants and from sorceries. That's crazy. So you can't get instant killed. When equipped creature deals combat damage to a player, create a treasure token. When you next cast an instant or sorcery spell yourself, copy that spell. You may choose new targets for that copy. My gosh. That is wealth and power right there. Final showdown spree. All creatures lose all abilities until end of turn. Choose a creature you control gains indestructible until end of turn. Destroy all creatures. That's the field clear. I love a good field clear card. And you get to keep one of your cards safe. Crazy, dude. Trample Haste. Whenever the Gitrog Ravenous Ride deals combat damage to a player, you may sacrifice a creature that's saddled with this turn. If you do, draw X cards. Then put up to X lands from your hand onto the battlefield, where X is the sacrificed creature's power. Can't saddle with more than 1 power, so. Kellen the Kid, we have him, but now we have 2. That's pretty good. Assimilation Aegis. When Assimilation Aegis enters the battlefield, exile up to 1 target creature until Assimilation Aegis leaves the battlefield. Whenever Assimilation Aegis becomes attached to a creature for as long as it remains attached to it, that creature becomes a copy of a creature exiled with Assimilation Aegis. Okay. So you take your own creature and turn it into equipment? Becomes attached to a creature for as long as it remains attached to it. That creature becomes a copy. No. It becomes the creature you sacrifice becomes a spiritual recreation every time you equip this Aegis to your other creatures. So if you have a 1/1 token, but your Aegis is a 7/5, you equip your Aegis to the 1/1, it becomes a 7/5. That's broken. I like that. That's cool. Alright. Alright, that's sick as hell. Alright, cool.